What is up, everyone? I'm your NFTs guide for the day, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how the healthcare system is going to finally get improved with the help of AI. Of course, there are other factors there, but essentially allow me to introduce you to Medifakt. And this is a decentralized blockchain platform improving patient care, healthcare security, data transparency, and interoperability across the industry. I was just waiting to see when this was going to happen, given that AI has been taking the world by storm, but finally someone has done it. And we are going to dive deep into this project and see what these guys are doing, how they're actually creating all of this and making all this happen, and why it's so brilliant, incredible, and how you can become a part of it as soon as possible. But before we get into all those details, a little disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and therefore I'm not accountable for any losses that you may make in the crypto NFT world. So please do your own due diligence, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions at the very end of this video. And without further ado, let's get straight into it, starting off with the Medifakt official website. Now, we've already seen this first part, so obviously this is absolutely incredible, but we're going to go down and see a little bit more in detail what these guys are actually doing. So essentially, their services have three key stakeholders. Number one, patients. Number two, providers. And AI companies. So the basis for Medifakt is a network for remotely storing and sharing medical imaging data. Typically, medical images are stored by providers or third-party hosts such as telemedicine companies. Now, this is their entire technology over here. So down below, we've got some four main factors, essentially. Number one is the utility token. They're developing all their technology on top of Ethereum and using the Ethereum blockchain. They're making it easy for developers to build distributed applications. And this also makes it easy for consumers to use existing web and mobile Ethereum wallets to interact with Medifakt. Now, that's the number one. That's absolutely so cool, and it's a great actually idea for making all this come to life. Number two is the crypto token. The blockchain will both serve as a payment escrow for medical images services and as a medical image storage protocol. Number three is the decentralized medical data storage. They're planning on building the top of the IPFS and libp2p protocols, and given the use cases for telemedicine and medical images storage around the world, having a decentralized storage and transmission service is crucial for both security and reliability, especially in remote, underserved areas. So I'm very glad that these guys have actually thought about that as well, because the more I looked into this project, the more I realized how much effort they actually put into this, and I'm so glad that I'm not looking at another project that's just looking to make a buck on the side and just looking to, you know, do all of this and create a nice website and all of that, but no one's really doing it for the right reasons. So I'm very, very glad that something like this actually exists, and finally the AI is being put to good use, and this is one of the places where. Finally, AI algorithms. As AI becomes more integrated into the digital workflow for medical imaging specialists, they want to make it easy to include AI algorithms with their data storage. That is absolutely brilliant. You can read more about this fact, and also if you want to check out more, actually make sure to make sure to go and check out their white paper, because this is the place with the most information, so you can go and check out everything that you can possibly need over here. You have the table of content, and you can see how many different areas of their project there are. So definitely go and check them out step by step, read through everything, and get yourselves informed. This is the best place to do so, and you will not regret being informed, because that is always the first thing that you should do when looking into a project. And next up is their data integration of the real world data. So obviously, Internet of Medical Things, or IoMT, this is a branch of IoTIN in the medical industry through which interdiagnostics or remote diagnostic services are achievable. I'm sorry, telediagnostics or remote diagnostic services are actually achievable. So down below, we've got some layers. So these guys actually have, I think, 4 layers, but these are just a few. I read that in their white paper. Essentially, they've got the asset layer, the security layer, then we've got the Internet of Medical Devices, the costs, and the ML, AI, and deep learning. So the artificial intelligence enables computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed, and AI algorithms use statistics instead of neurons to analyze and compare patterns in data, which is absolutely crazy. And I love reading about AI all the time, because there's always something new happening and it's being used for something else. Obviously, the security layer is very important as well. The use of blockchain for medical records provides significant security benefits that can serve to reduce data breaches, as well as aid in sharing healthcare records between providers and patients. So this is a very, very digital and new modern way of actually doing all of this, going through this entire process. And I think that it's going to help a lot of people. So definitely another reason to actually become a part of this. and show them that we're here for this project. This is over the token sale logistics. Essentially, the Medifakt token creation process will be issued by Medifakt and Ltd, Estonia-based company, and will be organized around smart contracts running on Ethereum. Down below you have the HR part, the development and artificial intelligence algorithms, so you can check that out as well. And over here, obviously, we've got the utilization of the funds, so some tokenomics. Essentially, you can check out how they're distributed, and it's very well as well. And you can go and read more about that because these guys are very transparent as well. So they have all the information laid out for you. Anything that you need to know, simply go check it out, and everything is right there. So that is also a really cool thing as well, because they need to have that trust in order for people to actually see how amazing of a project they actually are. This over here is their service layer, so the consumer layer. They've got the electronic health records right here, the patient-centric cross-chain identity management, supply chain management, down below the clinical data management, the medical chatbots that are AI-powered controversial solutions that help patients, insurance companies, and healthcare providers easily connect with each other. So chatbots, computer programs, or smart algorithms conducting conversation via auditory or textual methods are becoming more and more popular and widespread, and we've all seen that. And over here, chatbots have the potential to revolutionize healthcare and actually make a change, and they will be the first line of primary care. So this is what I'm talking about when we're using AI and actually implementing it into how the world works and everything. This is what it should be used for. So I'm very glad that finally someone remembered to actually put it into this and created such a great project actually. Obviously, the last we've got the healthcare insurance premium calculation as well, so helping the insurance industry radically transform operations by enabling faster, verifiable data exchanges visibly for all parties, and transactions underpinned by persuasive security and trust. Obviously, as I've already mentioned, trust is probably the number one priority here, because if we can't trust these guys, we can't do anything, and we can't use their services that they're actually providing us, which are actually very helpful in today's world. So that once again, they're absolutely 100% transparent. This over here is their Medium, so make sure to go and check out everything that you can right over here. And we're going to check out this last article right here, essentially Medifakt unleashing blockchain's potential for the healthcare industry. You can see some of the things that some people have been saying about them, and all of them are positive. The project's primary aim is to securely share medical information with completely traceability, along with aggregation of medical information from multiple sources and utilizing medical information for big data analytics. And over here, this is what I was talking about. There's 4 main modules in blockchain: the data layer, the asset layer, service and security layers, and it all combines into one health node covering electronic health record management, clinical data management, health economics, and outcomes research and supply chain. So it's very organized, it's very complex, and it aims to build a cross-chain patient data aggregator with identity storage, authentication, and ownership on the substrate. So the Polkadot, their HIPAA complaint solution, securely enables all modes of digital health communication, including telehealth, chat, voice, and permission-based data sharing. And their network gives custody of data to the patients and create data interoperability, reduced operational costs, improved efficiencies, and improved patient outcomes to the actual providers. So this is just a tip of the iceberg about what's going on in this entire Medium situation. So they've got a lot of different stories over here. So once again, make sure to go and check all of them out, because this is, as is the white paper, also another great source of information. So if you want to stay updated and see more about what these guys are doing, this is a great place to do so. Over here we have their factors. So this is one of their products, and it's absolutely insane. You can experience DeFi risk-free, and the risk marketplace that enables you to outsource the risks you need, and rewards for you are underwriting the ones that you are actually comfortable with. So you can open the app. This is what I was talking about the apps on their website that they were talking about. The tokenized mutual model you have over here. Some of the key factors: the capital efficiency, aligned incentives, value and performance, and their factor. The legacy financial system is slow, inefficient, and constrained by intermediaries, and they are on a mission to change that. It's an open source software development organization building tools, products, and services for the decentralized ecosystem, and you can get started by a press of a button. You can check out some of the numbers over here. All of them are absolutely insane, and this product is actually a great success, so you definitely should, and I think you definitely should actually become a part of it, because it also is for a good cause, and it's great. You have the purchase cover over here, the governance, claims, risk assessment, and so on. You can check out everything. Once again, you have everything over here. They're completely transparent, and check out the rest of this product over here. See what you like. If you like it, I definitely suggest you guys become a part of it, because this is the first choice for your medical indemnity insurance and protection. You can see there's something for everyone over here, and you will not be disappointed. And having said that, we're going to move on to the last very important piece of business. That is their social accounts. This is their official Twitter page, so make sure to give them a follow over here. Stay up to date with anything new going on, because these guys are blowing up and they have a very bright future ahead of them, because they have a great idea, and ideas always find their way into the world. So this is a great one, and I think that you should definitely be a part of it as soon as possible, and that's why you should give them a follow over here. Stay up to date with anything new going on. They're very frequent and regular in their posts, so you will not miss out if you give them a follow, and have fun with the Medifakt family. That will be all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely leave a like, subscribe, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions. And once again, make sure to give these guys a follow on all their socials. Stay up to date and enjoy being a part of the good side of the world. Once again, thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you all in the next video.